This is the Xyron Create a Sticker, the model 150. I've had this for several years. It now comes in multiple colors. It's so great for paper crafting. I am working on a card and it has all these itty bitty die cuts to add, and it's much easier than trying to tape each one to just run it through this Create a Sticker machine. So I've punched all of these out and now I am going to feed them through here. You just put them kind of in there and make sure they're going in the right direction. And as you are feeding them through here, you just pull on this a little bit each time to kind of feed them all the way through. So then once you are done with your batch of die cuts that you are working with, you just tear it from here. And now you have a strip of stickers. So you'll pull this top plastic off. Okay, so now you're ready to just stick these wherever you need to. So now it's just a sticker. It's so much easier to use than, you know, trying to tape each one with this. Now we can just take all of these off, put them on the card like it says here, and it's a super easy tool to use, and you could use it for ribbons, you can use it for any type of paper. It has lots of uses and a must-have for any paper crafter.